morning. This is Ruthie B here. Today I want to take you along with me on a cleaning motivation video. I need to clean my house, and I say, why not? Why not bring you along with me? I just want to motivate you to clean up. No offense, just a motivational video. I just want to motivate you to clean with me, and let's get our house, let's get our home right for June. Today is June 2nd, Monday, June 2nd, and it's around it's a late start. So let's get right into the video. I don't want to waste your time. We're gonna clean, we're gonna refresh, and we're gonna put some new pieces in the place. Let's get right into the videos. As you can see, guys, everything is out of order. The table is a mess. I was doing some work this morning. I have to put everything in order. I was exercising. The mat is in the middle of the living room. My sneakers, so on and so forth. It is all a mess, and I have this box over there from Amazon. It is something that I purchased for the home, which I'm gonna not install, but put together today. So I have my machine here for exercise. I just need to clean up so you can see the mess, the before, and then we'll see the after. All right, let's get right into it. Guys, welcome back again to my channel. So as you can see, you saw before, my house is in disarray and it needs such TLC, and right now I'm cleaning up the table. I don't know how many of you guys, sometimes we just let everything go, you know, between work, family, other responsibilities that we have. The house, the cleaning part is the last thing that we want to do. So today I'm bringing to you, trying to motivate you. If it's one person that I want to motivate today to clean and put things in order, and you know, once your house is clean, your surrounding is clean, you feel differently. Yes, I exercised that day, and I went live also that day exercising. And I'm gonna put everything together as I showed you before. I purchased in this box, it's an Amazon box. I purchased another rug for the dining room. It's similar, it's exactly the same rug that I have in the living room space. It's a 6x9. It's very nice. So I figured, let me pull out my camera and show you guys how I am putting my place together.
We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Guys, I am, sweeping the area. In that area behind the couch, this is where I have my rowing machine for exercising. I'm not quite sure where to place that. In the meantime, this is where it's gonna be. So yes, I just wanted to motivate someone to clean today, to clean and get our houses in order for the summer. June is here. Before you know it, summer is gonna be gone. So let's get our houses together. Let's get our minds right for the summer. If our surroundings are clean, we are going to be in a better state of mind. So yeah, today I'm gonna use regular cleaning products, which I purchased none other than Dollar Tree. I used the Clorox, not the Clorox, but the bleach from the Dollar Tree, and then the Fabuloso to make the house smell good. And I also use the Windex, the Walmart brand, to clean the windows. Right now I'm just sweeping and get the dust out of the way and then get the mopping, and I'm going to lay a new rug underneath that table. It's been a long time coming, so I'm just trying to now put the house in order. And this box been in the corner for months, and I'm like, Ruth, you have to get this away. Right. Enjoy the music. I appreciate you guys for coming. Don't forget. Yes guys, as I was saying, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you think about the video. As you saw, I'm using the Walmart brand to clean my window. It is not the name brand, it is not Windex, so I'm using the Great Value brand, which is the Walmart brand, as I said before. So me, on my channel, you will see me always use practical stuff to clean, affordable things to clean. I'm all about saving the money. You know, nowadays things are expensive, eggs are expensive, milk is expensive, so we have to let our dollar stretch, okay, further than we need it to. So anyway, so these two pillows, they are old pillows. They are covers that I put new covers from Shein, and the material is pretty nice. So I'm gonna buy again to cover 3 other pillows that I have in my closet. So the other pillows, the pillow itself I didn't like because it didn't match my decor, so I figured let me buy some covers, and I was trying something new and it worked. So now I'm cleaning the table, and this is from the company that we purchased the table from. So you can use anything from Walmart, Target, and whatever have you to clean your table. So yeah, so enjoy the video. I keep on saying the same thing, enjoy the video, and let me know what you think, guys. I will really appreciate it. I really love when you guys leave a comment and encourage me. Now this is what I use to put in the water, which is bleach from the Dollar Tree, and then now I'm putting the Fabuloso to give the water a nice scent. So yeah, I'm mopping, and yeah, so enough fumbling of me, and I'll see you later, guys. Right now, guys, I am taking the chairs and the other chairs out of the way so I can install, so I can spread the rug. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you the description of the rug. It's the color for the rug is 2 colors, gray and black. It says it's a very soft. It is very soft. It's not because of the description. It is a very soft rug, and stain resistant, non-shedding, soft rug that you can use for living room and dining room and your bedroom. And for myself, I'm using them in my dining room and my living room area. Yes. So what else about the rug? Right now it's on sale. It's 20% off. Original price was $69.99, $70, and you can get that now for $55.99 with the 20% discount. So yeah, it is pretty affordable. I like it and everybody like it, and it kind of bring the tie in the dining room together. And this is I will have more pieces coming for downstairs, for the dining room / living room. I have to do things slowly, one at a time, one piece at a time, and to decorate and elevate the place. So yeah, keep on watching. This video is almost to the end. I appreciate you if you are still watching to this point. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know what you think. This is your girl Ruthie. I'll see you in the next one.